Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to find Bluetooth on JVC Smart TV. So to turn on Bluetooth on a JVC Smart TV, using your remote control, navigate to the settings icon located on the main interface and select it. From the menu that appears, select Remotes and Accessories. Then select Add Accessory. Put the Bluetooth device you want to pair into discovery mode, so it varies depending on the device. When the Bluetooth device is detected by the TV, click it to add it to the list. Wait a few moments for the sync request to appear on the screen. And to finish, you must click Synchronize. So if your JVC Smart TV doesn't have any built-in Bluetooth, you can consider using an external Bluetooth adapter, and you can plug it in the TV's USB ports or audio output port. If that's an audio device that you're connecting, make sure to choose the adapter that is compatible with your TV's model. So basically that's it.